Why does my HVAC system make a humming noise?
The biggest reason you have a humming noise is a bad capacitor. The capacitor is trying to turn that motor. So when the capacitor goes bad, that motor can't turn. So then you hear that kind of a humming noise of the motor trying to get power, but the capacitor's out, therefore you're not getting it to operate. So it's probably a bad capacitor, but the humming noise and the unit not working means you need to call a professional. Have you ever had problems with your unit making a humming noise? Leave a comment below and let us know.